Hi guys, it's Chanel again. Now, as you all have seen, I've been loving for this curly Burma hair with Yummy. Today, I'll be doing a wash day routine for you all. You'll need some shampoo. This is Design Essentials. Also a conditioner. This is with Tresemme, the Curl Hydration. A leave-in conditioner. This is with Miss Jessie, and I also have her Jelly Soft Curl, so you can use her too. A spray bottle will be needed. Some serum. This is the Garnier Fructis, and some foam. That was a lot of body. So firstly, I just go in, detangle the hair. The only place this hair really tangles is at the nape of the neck. So just getting those tangles out, and then I go straight in to rinse, try to get some of that initial dirt off the lace. And then I go in and just start shampooing. I fill up the sink with some nice lukewarm water and use about a capful of shampoo. I only shampoo my hair literally probably once a month. That's just to get the buildup off the lace, usually concerning from the hair glue and any dirt on the hair. But other than that, it's normally just conditioner I co-wash with. But today was a shampoo day, so I'll let that go, soak and sit for about 2 to 5 minutes. Once she's all clean, I go back, give her another quick rinse, and then it's straight into conditioner. As you guys know, in the past I loved my silicone conditioner, but I've honestly switched over to Tresemme Curl Hydration recently. It's suggested to be used on this hair by Yummy themselves, and honestly I love it. It makes the hair so soft and the curls just pop easily with it, and the curl moisture is just higher, I feel. So definitely listen to Yummy and use the Tresemme Curl Hydration. Now I'll let that usually sit with conditioner on it in the sink for up to 15 to 30 minutes depending on how long I want the hair to sit there. But basically, you know, I just wanted to soak up as much conditioner as possible. And once that's done, I'll go in and rinse her out. And I usually like to rinse the hair with cold water to seal in that conditioner into the hair. You get less frizz that way too. Now when I dry my hair, honestly, I just plop it onto a towel, pat dry it for a few minutes, and then I will take it straight to my mannequin head to style it. So here, I already went inside to do a middle part. As you see, the curls are popping. You can wear it straight like this and diffuse it like that if you want. But me personally, I like to wet my hair down every day, so I like to add product to it. So I'll start at the nape of the neck and usually start detangling from there with a wide tooth comb and work in sections to apply my product. Like I said, working with a wide tooth comb, get any tangling out from washing it. And then I'll go back with a spray bottle because I want the hair well damped before adding product. So, you know, add a little bit of more water in there for moisture wise, and then I'll go in with my Miss Jessie's leave-in conditioner. I usually use about a quarter size amount depending on how thick the section I'm using, and I will apply that throughout the hair. That just really helps to help define the curls, give it some added moisture as well. And I will brush that through with a dimming brush to really clump the curls together so I get the best curl definition possible. And I'll do that all over the hair, section by section, and then I'll go back in with Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curl Gel and scrunch that through the hair just so I get a nice firm hold on those curls so I don't have frizz later. And you can always go back, you know, do a couple finger curls just to clump and really get the best ringlets. Girl, look at her poppin'. Now this is all the shedding I received from combing and brushing this hair after washing. As you see, it was very little, so you don't have to worry about much shedding with this hair. Alright, this is me the following morning. I usually just let the hair air dry. I normally don't diffuse, and I'm just going in and concealing my part with some concealer. And then I'll go back in with some hair serum. This one I'm using is from Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine to break up that gel cast to get that softness back into the hair without causing any frizz. Now, for those of you who don't know, this frontal is not Burma curly hair, but actually their loose curl frontal. And I personally think the pattern matches beautifully, but on days I want to be extra snatch, I will go in with a small curling iron just to add a couple ringlets to make sure that the curls match the best to the rest of the hair. That's just around the framing of my face to really highlight the hair and that curl pattern. So that's just me going in, doing just a couple of curls, front and back. It doesn't matter which direction, you just follow the natural direction of the curl to make it pop around my face. And then I'm taking that Lotta Body foam to go ahead, finish out my part to lay down the front so there's no frizz. And I am done. Usually when I do this hair routine for this curly hair, I'm able to wear the hair 5 days straight without having to go back, re-wet it, and I don't have any frizz or anything like that. The curls just stay beautifully like that with that product in there. So I am good for the next 5 days. And this hair is so soft, so gorgeous, so full. It's just honestly the best curly hair I've ever had. So if you haven't been over to Yummy, definitely check her out. Like I said, this is the raw Burma curly hair with a loose curl frontal. But of course, if you guys have questions, leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And as always, I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a great year, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.